Hello and welcome to our lecture on area charts in Tableau. Let's dive straight in. As always, we begin by connecting to our data source, which is the stacked area chart CSV file. Now, we can go to a new sheet and examine our data. Under Dimensions, we have the year, and under Measures, we have the four engine types: diesel, gas, other, and petrol. Note that the ordering provided by Tableau is alphabetical. Cool. Our area chart aims to represent the ads for each one of the four engine types throughout the years in our dataset from 1982 to 2016. Now, if we wanted to create a simple one-category area chart, we'd only need to double-click on Year and see a timeline appear. Then we could double-click on a measure, say diesel, and obtain an area chart. From the Show Me field, we'd then select Area Chart, and that's that. Okay, but what if we wanted to add another category, or in other words, how do we arrive at the desired stacked area chart? Unfortunately, if we simply drag another measure to rows, we'll get two separate area charts instead of the two categories on the same chart. No worries. With Ctrl-Z, we undo the last change and then explore the required steps to make a stacked area chart. First, from the Dimensions pane, we should drag Measure Names to Color in the Marks window. Second, we right-click the color box left of the Measure Names and select Filter. Here we can select the categories we'd like to display. As we do not have any prior knowledge of what the other category represents, it's better to omit it from the chart. Okay, the next step is to drag measure values from the Measures pane to Rows. Lastly, we select Area Chart from Marks. And there you have it. Now we've created the chart itself. We can dedicate some effort into styling it. The first issue is related to the fact that Tableau places categories in alphabetical order. However, sometimes we might have a different ordering in mind. For instance, here, it'd be better to have the categories ordered from largest to smallest. Let's see how we can hack Tableau's ordering. We can remove a category from the measure values, in our case, diesel, and we can place it back, only it will automatically land on the bottom of our chart, precisely where we wanted it. Excellent. And now it's time to change the font of our workbook. We should click on Format, Workbook, and select Arial as our preferred font. Good. What follows? Well, let's choose a different color scheme. For this lesson, we'll custom choose colors for our chart. We'll have darker colors on the bottom and a bright color for the category on top. Let's click on the color and select Edit Colors. A menu appears, showing us the three areas of our chart on the left and options for color palettes on the right. Here, instead of a color palette, is gas. We promised it would be a brighter color, so a pinkish red is in order. Let's enter the hex code EF2026. Let's observe the result. Good job. We ought to add a proper y-axis label. Right-click on the y-axis and select Edit Axis. Here we alter the name to Number of Cars. Superb! All right, last but not least, we shouldn't forget the title. Popularity of engine fuel types from 1982 to 2016 is what we land on. We'll also increase the font size to 15 and bold it. Confirm with Apply and then OK. Excellent work, everyone. We've completed our first area chart using Tableau. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the interpretation lecture.